Module 5 focuses on the differences when serving and maintaining systems which use an alternative refrigerant. Full procedures are not provided. The information outlines the critical points which differ from those for conventional refrigerants. The e-learning course is based on good refrigeration practice, with additional information relevant to working with flammable refrigerants such as propane, toxic refrigerants such as ammonia, and high-pressure refrigerants such as carbon dioxide. Information about the safe working environment is included as well, as the following procedures were relevant: leak testing, recovery and disposal, evacuating, brazing, charging, and component replacement. At the end of the module, you will find links to useful additional information.